7 signs she wants you to make a move. Most men miss the subtle signs that a woman is waiting for them to make a move, and by the time they realize it, the moment has passed. Don't let that happen to you. In this video, I'll reveal the signs she's ready for you to take the next step, so you can act before the opportunity slips away. She's always in your personal space. If she's constantly finding reasons to be in your personal bubble, she might be sending you a pretty clear message. You know what I'm talking about. She sits a little closer than necessary, brushes against you when she walks by, or playfully touches your arm when you're talking. It's like she's a planet, and you're the sun. She's orbiting. Now, I'm not saying every accidental touch means she's ready to jump your bones, but if you're noticing a pattern of her finding excuses to make physical contact, she might be trying to tell you something. I frown. She's giving you the eyes. Let's talk about eye contact. If she's looking at you like you're the last slice of pizza at 2 a.m., chances are she's into you. We're not just talking about normal eye contact here. We're talking about that lingering gaze that lasts a beat longer than usual. Maybe she's glancing at your lips when you're talking, or you catch her stealing looks when she thinks you're not paying attention. It's like her eyes are saying what her words can't. But here's the catch. Don't confuse a casual glance with meaningful eye contact. We're looking for consistent, prolonged eye contact that makes you feel like you're the only person in the room. Is she finding excuses to be alone with you? If she's constantly trying to get you one-on-one, that's a pretty good sign she's interested in more than just friendship. Maybe she's asking for your help with tasks she could easily do herself, or suggesting activities that conveniently don't include anyone else. Hey, want to grab coffee? Suddenly becomes, hey, want to help me pick out a new couch for my apartment? It's like she's creating a stage for just the two of you. She's giving you opportunities to make a move without the pressure of an audience. So, if you're noticing a pattern of her trying to isolate you in a good way, she might be hoping you'll take the hint. She's dropping hints about her relationship status. Here's a subtle one. If she's constantly bringing up the fact that she's single or talking about how she's ready for a relationship, she might be trying to let you know she's available. It's like she's putting up a big neon sign saying, "Open for business." She might mention how she hasn't been on a date in a while, or joke about needing a +1 for an upcoming event. Now, this doesn't mean she's desperate. It means she's interested and wants you to know that the door is open. But remember, just because the door is open doesn't mean you should barge in. Always approach with respect and clear communication. She's mirroring your body language. This one's a bit more subtle, but it's a classic sign of attraction. If she's unconsciously mimicking your postures, gestures, or even your speaking patterns, it's a good indicator that she's into you. Maybe you lean forward, and suddenly she does too. You cross your legs, and a moment later, so does she. It's like you're engaged in a silent dance of body language. This mirroring is often subconscious, which makes it a pretty reliable sign of interest. She's non-verbally saying, "Hey, we're in sync." So, if you're noticing this mirroring effect, it might be time to consider making a move. She's laughing at all your jokes. Let's be honest, guys, most of us aren't comedic geniuses. So if she's giggling at even your lamest dad jokes, she might be trying to show you she's interested. It's not just about the laughter, though. Pay attention to how she laughs. Is she leaning in closer, touching your arm, or looking deeply into your eyes as she chuckles? These are all signs that she's using humor as a way to connect with you. But here's the catch. Don't mistake politeness for interest. We're looking for genuine, consistent laughter and engagement, not just polite chuckles. If she's truly enjoying your humor, it's a good sign she's enjoying your company too. William leaned into the window and waved his hand smugly, as if bemused by William's coursed praise. If she's showing interest in your future, she might be trying to figure out if there's room for her in it. Maybe she's asking about your career goals, your dreams, or your plans for the weekend. She might even be dropping hints about her own future plans, seeing if they align with yours. It's like she's piecing together a puzzle, trying to see if your pieces fit together. This kind of curiosity about your life and future is often a sign that she's considering you as more than just a friend. So, now that you know the signs, don't wait until it's too late. Take action while the moment is right. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know if you've spotted any of these signs in your own life.